Our next award is for the Cloud Solution Architect of the Year, Information Technology. Award goes to Mr. Shivaprasad Sankesha Narayana, Senior Architect, BP, Karnataka.
Hi everyone. I am honored to receive the prestigious Cloud Solution Architect of the Year Information Technology Award. I thank Global Leaders Awards 2024 jury for choosing me as a recipient of this award. Throughout my career, I have consistently delivered high-quality solutions that align with organizational goals. I am confident in my ability to continue driving innovation and excellence in cloud architecture. This award is the validation of the countless hours spent honing my craft and pushing the boundaries of innovation. This recognition fuels my passion for technology even more, and I'm committed to leveraging this honor as inspiration to continue making impactful contributions to the field. Last but not the least, I am immensely grateful to my mentors, colleagues, and family who have inspired and challenged me along the way. Thank you, everyone.